Hi everyone, this is Amy from World Air Purifier.
Hi everyone, this is Amanda from World Air Purifier.
Welcome to our today's live show.
Yes.
Amanda, you can introduce to our audience about the whole September for this month. How many live show we will have? You can introduce to our audience.
Okay. So for September, as we all know, so September is the biggest promotion event of the Alibaba.com.
Yes.
During the September, we will bring to you 19 broadcasters.
18
broadcasters.
Okay.
Yes. So if you feel interested of our living show, you can follow up our account and share to your friends or your family.
That will be good.
Yes, so don't miss our living show. We are waiting for you here.
Yes, don't miss our live show, our wonderful live show. We have totally 18 live show for our Smart World Air Purifier and for different products.
Yes.
So today I think first our audience need to follow our discounts. And if you have any question, you just can leave the message. We will feedback to you during our live show. And also you can get the catalog, and also you can get the product information. Start from the live show, the bottom of this space. Okay. So I think next schedule, Amanda, can you show to our audience about what will be the schedule today for our live show?
Okay, today we will have three schedule of your introduce. Firstly, we will introduce our company. Thirdly, we will answer some questions from our audience and give to you some feedbacks. Thirdly, we will introduce to you some hot selling products of our company.
Okay, that will be good. So first is I will give our audience about our company introduction.
Okay.
And for the second schedule, we will feedback some questions. If our audience have any questions, just you can leave the message, and me and Amanda will give you an answer. And for the third part, we will introduce our very hot selling products. And also in our today live show, we have a lot of big discount, and only in this live show today. So if you are interested, don't forget to leave the message, and also you can send the information so we can feedback to you. Okay. So Amanda, I will introduce our company introduction first. Okay. Hi everyone, this is Amy from World Air Purifier. So welcome to our today's live show. So in our today's live show, the first I will introduce about our company introduction, and for the second schedule, we will feedback some questions to our audience who have interest in our products or our company. And in the third part, we will introduce our very hot selling products, and so that you can, if you have any questions, you just can feedback to us. So at the very beginning, I want to introduce our company history to you. So you know, World, our parent company is established in 1983. So at the very beginning, we do the auto parts for car. So we specialized in our plastic industries. And in 2012, we start to develop our first air purifier model. As you know, the environmental in China is not so good. So because you know we already have the experience, at least 40 years experience in the injection industry. So our commitment is to create the comfortable indoor air environmental. So we decided to into the air purifying industry. So in 2012, we start our first development in our air purifier models. And in 2014, we start to develop the first model in our ventilation system. You know, the biggest difference between the air purifier and the ventilation system is that air purifier have can clean the indoor air. So we can give our audience, give our clients very fresh air, and also can remove the PM 2.5 and some formaldehyde and other things. But for ventilation system, it can not only clean the indoor air, but also we can do the air exchange. So means we can have the fresh air from outside. So that's a very important thing. In 2016, we created our full product category, start from the car air purifier, desktop, household, and commercial, also for the ventilation system. So our category now is very, I think it can meet a different requirement from our different customers. So if you are interested into enter the air treatment products, you can contact with us. We can not only provide the OEM service for our currently products, but also we can provide the ODM service. And if you have any idea, you just can let us know, and we can just give you the real products in the end. And in 2018, we are extended to our market, and we start to cooperate with a lot of leading brand in home appliance, such as GA and Black Deagle, such as this brand. So start from the first, we have 40 years in experience in the injection industries, and after that, when we want to enter the air treatment industries, we have the experience in the first for injection experience. Second is we have the very strong and powerful R&D team for the R&D about the products. We will focus on the strict different like structural, and also we can focus on different function which can meet our customers' requirements. And also this is the history of our company. So if you have time, maybe you can just visit our company, or I think next week we have a live show which can bring you a very interesting factory tour, so you can see how our factory is really are. So maybe it can just let you know about it. This is first I want to introduce about our company history, and second, why our name is Schwarzwald. Also, our brand name is Schwarzwald. That's because Schwarzwald, is a very big forest in Germany. And one day our boss went to this forest, and he think the fresh air and a really nice place, or it is the same that we want to build this company. I think the commission is the same. The commission is the same. We want to bring the fresh air to everybody, and we want to create a very comfortable indoor air environmental. So that's why we named it Schwarzwald. Okay, so here is our company history, and for next, yes, I want to introduce about our injection plastic. We have 26 injection machines, start from 1,600 to start from 160 to 1,600 tons. Yes, and also we have the robot arms robot arms, so that it can have the very high efficiency when we do this injection mass production. And also we use the central feeding system, so from the material storage to the transportation. So it's like so it can improve the efficiency, and also we can make sure the reliability of the material is just like the same. So we have a very experience in the injection industries. So, and also for all the air purifier we made is by ourselves, so we can control the quality. And also now we use the anti-UV material so that the products will not turn to yellow after when you use very long time. Okay, so for the next introduction is about our assembly lines. We have the intelligent manufacturing with the mass control. So we can first to control the daily capacity, and also we can control about maybe the defective rate. And we have equipped with 7 production lines, and our yearly capacity is 1 million pieces per year. So if you have any requirement about the OEM and ODM service, you just can let us know. We have the very full capacity to make sure we can have the fast delivery. Everyone, this is Amy from Swansea Air Purifier. Now I'm interested to our audience about our company introduction. So we have the intelligent manufacturer with the mass control system, and also we equipped with 7 production lines, and the capacity is over 1 million pieces per year. So if you have any requirement for the OEM products, you just can contact us. We have the fully capacity. So next, I want to introduce about our strict quality management system. Because we cooperated with many years cooperated experience with a leading brand, so our quality control system is very strict. Start from the incoming QC. So we will do the 100% inspection in the very major components like the motor and PCB and the sensor, to make sure the raw material do not have the quality issue. Second, we will do the functional test during our assembly lines. We have several function test points. So each point we will to test a different function component. Yes, and for second, we will do the noise test. During our noise test room, we will to test if the products have any absorbent noise from the machine. So we will to know if the defective is from the motor or from some other component. And the next step, we will do the aging test. After we do the major assembling productions, we will do the aging test at least 24 to 48 hours. But it also depends on the different depends on the different delivery date. And for the final inspection, before we pack all these products, we will do the final inspection. And also we will inspect the machine, like we will have the different AQL like data. We will maybe 100 pieces, we will to inspect like 2% of the final products. So we start from this 5 process. The final commitment is we need to make sure the product's quality is good. Okay, for next step, I want to introduce about for next step, I want to introduce about our aging test. So start from after we all do the assembly lines for the whole unit, we will do the aging test. Why we do the aging test? Because we need to avoid some functional issue about the major component. For example, we have some issue from our PCB. So during the aging test, we will to check if the issue from which component part, and also we will to make sure the percentage is in the stable percentage. So to make sure the mass production goods is in the good quality. And also, I want to introduce our production R&D team to our audience. First, we have the 2 R&D first we have the two independent R&D team. One is for the air purifier and another is for the ventilation system. And also the leading experienced engineering is also have over 50 years experience in the several industries. And also we have 26 total engineerings. For example, for different module engineers like ID and structural, also electricity and software and certification engineering. So we are not only can provide the OEM service, but also we can provide the ODM service. So each products, you just can give us your idea. For example, you want like a 230 CDR products with a PM2.5 sensor, and also you have the maybe night mode or something. So you just can let us know so that we will give you a final products in the end with all like the development schedule is like 4 to 5 months. And also, so you can give us your idea and we will turn it to the real products. So if you have any ideas, you just can let us know. And also for the research and development system, we have a full performance test lab. So first is we have the two CADR test bin. It's like 30 millimeter and 30 millimeter and 3 millimeter. 30 millimeter is for the big machine. The CDR is like 300, 400, and 500. And for the 3 millimeter, it's suitable for the car and the desktop. Also for the airflow, we can to test the airflow for the ventilation system. And also we will to test the reliability and stability for the key component for the motor and for the products during our development schedule. So we have the high and the low temperature, and also we have the noise test lab. So we have very strict and strong R&D system just to want to make sure that we can have the goods and have the goods with the very stable and reliable performance before we do the mass production. So any idea and any information you want to let us know, you just can give us your information and we will turn it to real products. Yes, you can see the video here. Here is like 30 millimeter for test bin, and also for the ventilation test center, and also we have the high and low temperature and also noise test lab. Next, I want to introduce about how audience we have and how audience we have already passed. First is for the quality control system. We have already passed ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. And also for the environmental system, we have already passed like 14,000 yes for this system. And for the human rights, we already passed the BSCI. So it is, I think it is quite experienced, and you can choose us as a very good partner when you want to enter the air treatment products. And also for the certification, we have passed a different certificate for different market. For example, for the North American, we have passed the ETL and like CARB, also Energy Star. And for European market, we have passed the CE, ROS, REACH, and GS. Also for like Korea market, we have the products which pass the CB, and also we have already passed the CA audience for the factory in 2019. I think we are the first batch who already passed the CA audience in China. So each market and each certificate we already got in our currently products. You just can pick them. So maybe you can choose us as your best partner to do the OEM and ODM service. Okay, so here is our company introduction. So Next, I will introduce my colleague Amanda here. So she will introduce our products to our audience.
Hi, I'm come back again.
Okay, so Amanda, I'm very glad you come back. So I think first I need to teach our audience how to follow our products.
Okay.
How to follow our account. So first you need to follow. You just can click follow. Yes. If you follow our shop, you can get the reminder. For example, we have some new products.
Yes.
We can remind you that we have new products, and we will have like 18 live show for our shops. So please don't forget to follow us. And if you have any questions, you just can leave the message and you can get the catalog. Okay. So Amanda, I have some. First, I think we can have some questions from our audience.
Okay.
So the first question is about our company. So they ask, where is your company's location?
Yeah, our company located in Zhangjiagang, Suzhou province.
Yes. So yes, our company is located in Zhangjiagang.
Yes.
It's belong to Suzhou. It's very near to Shanghai, around like 1 hour only by high-speed train. And also it's very near to the Wuxi airport. So the transportation is really convenient. Okay. And for next question is they want to know about our company injection industry. So how many pieces, how many injection machines we have right now?
Okay. For the factory, we have 3 factories for air purifiers and some clothes industries and some car industries.
Okay. So you means, wait a moment. Yeah, so you means we have a total 3 different industries.
Yes. Yeah.
And also we have 2 workshops. The first is for the injection workshop, and the second is for the assembling workshop.
Yes.
Okay, so next question is if we can provide a free sample today.
It's great.
Yeah, can we provide a free sample today in our live show?
Yes, we can provide a free sample only today. So please follow our account and don't miss our live show.
Yeah, that will be good. Okay, so next I think we can start to introduce our first products. I think that will be really interesting, and it's really excited because you know these products we have like 50% discount today, 50% discount.
Yes.
It's really like huge discount. So for this product is desktop air purifier. Okay, so now today in our live show, this products we have the like 50% about the discount, and also we want to show you how this product's performance and about the key data about these products. So first, for this desktop air purifier, the CDR about this is 120, and it is shoot for like 40 square meters. And also, you know, for this products, we have 2 models. It's really quite interesting. So we have the auto mode and silent mode. Yes, and also we can to close the light if you don't want to see when it's in the night. So for these products, first, the CADR is really cool. 小何把那个镜头调小一点，就看不到。Okay. Yes, for this product, this is for desktop, and it can suit for like 14 square meters. And also we have the Hipaa and the carbon filter inside. It's like 3-in-1 stage. And also we have the control panel. It's really easy to cooperate. That's really good. Okay, so next I want to show to our audience about how this air purifier is running. It's quite easy to just need to plug this machine, and you just need to power. Yeah, you just need to power on, so the machine can running in a very good way. And for the appearance, you can see the whole unit is like a very wide, so it can suit for, you can put in your bedroom or your baby room, and you can put in everywhere you want to put it. It's quite suitable for all the, I think, space and the environment. And also for the control panel, it's like a black design, like it's like black color. So you see the black color together with the white color, so it's really nice. You just can put in the desk, so you just can put in the desk when you are personal, right? So Amanda, I think what do you think these products, if you want to purchase one piece, where you want to put, in your home or in your office?
For this machine, I will put it in desktop of our home. So I think it's very beautiful and finishing and make our home more professional.
Yes, we make our home more clean.
Because it's a right color.
Yes, and I think we can have some question from our audience is how many pieces in stock about this machine? Okay, so this audience, I think you are very professional. Yes, for these products, we have today in our live show, we have a 50% about these products. So the discount is really huge. You can place the order now. So our MOQ is like one pieces for the MOQ. You just need to place
pieces.
Yeah, one pieces. That's really wonderful, right?
Yes.
You can just place the order like one pieces. But if you need 500 and 1,000 pieces, it is also available. You just can leave the message, okay?
Why it's bigger discount. So,
yes.
So just like Amy said, if you feel interested of our product, please leave your message here. We will reply to you as soon as possible. You can follow our account and don't miss our live show.
Yes. I think Amanda, you can introduce the filter to our audience.
Okay.
Okay. So it's also really easy to open it. Yes. Yeah, you just need to open the cover. And now here is the filter. Amanda, you can introduce the filter to our audience. Okay, the filter is like how many? It's like three stages, right? 3 stages about the filter, right?
Yes.
Okay. The first is maybe we can see. The first is for the Hipaa filter, and the second stage is for the carbon filter, also with the pre-filter. Yes. So it's like 3 stages about the filter, right? Yeah. And can you introduce about what is the Hipaa can use?
Yes. Okay. For the Hipaa filter, we have the level of from Hipaa 11 to Hipaa 14 are available. For the many audience will think what is true Hipaa filter. Generally, we also said for the Hipaa 13 filter is a true Hipaa filter because it can up to remove the dust and the bacteria up to 99.99%. So it's very great remove dust and bacteria for the pure filter.
Okay, so thanks for introduction. So you mean for the Hipaa filter, yes, we have like 3 different levels. The first is like H11, and the second is like H13. So for H11, how about the efficiency about this filter?
For the efficiency of the filter, it can remove large particles such as the petrol, coarse dust. What's more, it can washable for the pure filter.
Oh, for this pre-filter is cannot washable because you know it can already combine with the Hipaa. So for the big machine, it will be okay. So next, so I will introduce to our audience about why this desktop air purifier is really wonderful, and also you can purchase it directly. First, you can see the appearance is really nice, so you can put in the office or you can put in your baby room and the bedroom. This is first. And the second is you can check that the Hipaa filter with the common filter is really easy to operate. To just need to put in the machine, and after that you can close the cover in the bottom. It's really quite easy to do that. And next, I want to introduce the function about this machine. Okay. You know what is this? This is like a sponge here, so we can put some perfume and we can put the liquid perfume inside. So when the machine is running, so you can feel that the very good smell is start from the air outlet.
It's great.
Yeah, that will be good.
It's just like Amy said, so if you have interest in our product, please leave your message here. We will reply to you as soon as possible. Also, you can follow our account and don't miss our live show. You can leave your message here about your question and your email.
Okay, so for this products, it's really quite to operate it. First, you just can open this machine with the power button here, and also we have the like 1, 2, 3, 4. The first level is that you can for the first level, for the first fan speed, and this is the highest fan speed. And also we have the night mode. When you are in the night mode or in the first fan speed, you can see the light in the air light in the machine is dummy, and it will to run at the first fan speed, right? And this is for the auto mode. When you are running at the auto mode, so the machine can run depends on the air quality. So we have the dust sensor here. So the machine will run the fan speed depends on the air quality. And also you can see if you don't want to see the light at night, we just can click this button so it can close. It's really convenient. And here we have a timing function at totally 15 hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, totally 15 hours. So you don't worry about if you want to leave this machine at home. You just want to let this machine like running at 5 hours. We just can use the timing function. It's really convenient. And also we have the child lock here. Means if you press this button like 3 seconds, the child lock function it will keep your children not to touch this machine. It will be safety. So for this control panel, it is quite easy to operate. Also, you can teach your parents, and also you can teach your friends to how to use this machine. And it is really, I think the biggest advantage for this machine is first, it is an intelligent machine. It can control by the auto mode. Depends on the air quality in your room. This is first. And second, it can be like the auto mode. In the silent mode. When you are in the silent mode, it is really quiet. So I cannot even hear the noise right now. And also you can see it, the light in the control panel will be dummy. So it will not disturb your rest. And also it also can control, means when you are in the night mode, if you want to do the timing, you also can click it. It's really smart. Total 50 hours. And if you press the child lock, function, it will can not disturb. So if you use the child lock function, so your children will not to can
protect your family and your children.
Yes, can protect your family and your children. So for this machine, I think it's quite suitable for your daily life use. And now in our today's live show, it is quite a very big discount. We just need the discount is like 50% off for this discount, and you can place the MOQs like 1 pieces. Only 1 pieces you can purchase this very wonderful machine to your home. And also if you need the bigger purchase, so the quantity can up to 500 and 1000, it is no problem. So what are you waiting for? You just can follow our account and leave the message.
Order. Yeah, just leave your message.
Yes.
So big discount of this machine.
Yes, so you can leave the message to us so that you can purchase this wonderful machine back to your home for your use, or also you can sell it in your market. And also we have the stock for the filter now, means you can purchase the same quantity filter about the air purifier. That will be quite interesting. So together with the machine and the filter, you can place the order today. So the biggest discount is like 50% discount. It's really wonderful. Okay?
Yeah, just like Amy said, if you feel interested of our product, please leave your message here. We will reply to you as soon as possible. And you can share if you feel like our living show. You can share to your friends or family. We are waiting for you every day.
Okay, so we have some questions from our audience.
Okay.
They say how about the MOQ about this machine?
Oh, for this machine for today, only 1 pieces.
Yeah, the MOQ is 1 pieces today. And do you have a big model with the UVC light?
Yes.
Yeah, we have the big model because for this one is for desktop and it can suit for like 14 square meters. But later, Amanda will introduce our big model like AP301 to you. Also, it has the UVC functions.
Yeah, so don't miss our live show.
Yes. Okay. So this is all the question for our audience for these products. So next, Amanda will give our audience to introduce about the big machine for AP301.
Okay.
For this machine, it has the UVC function. Okay, Amanda, you can introduce for this machine.
Okay. Just we can see this machine is the best-selling product of our company. The name of this is 3001. The CID of this machine is 310. For this machine and the suitable area, we can use for it for bedroom, living room, and some office. And for the coverage area from the 24 to 33 square meters. Okay. I will open it. Now I will introduce this machine. This machine has many advantages. Firstly,
yes, Amanda.
Yes.
I think you can first tell our audience about what is the advantage for this machine.
Yes.
Maybe you can use like 4 keywords.
Yeah, okay. Some auto mode, slide mode, 6 purify system, and 4 is some UVC lines.
Okay, you mean the first, this machine, I think it has a very big CAD, it's like 310, and it also can suit for like 65 square meters.
Yes.
This is first. And second, the purification system is really huge. It has 6 purification system, right? And the second one is this machine is really smart because it can control with your mobile phone, and also has the Wi-Fi function, right?
Yeah.
And also it has the auto mode, silent mode, and night mode.
Yeah.
So this is like a smart machine. And for the first, is very important. we use the DC motor from Japan, so with the low power for consumption, and this product is really quiet, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, maybe you can introduce
Introduce
to
one
our
by one.
audience again
Okay.
about these advantages.
Okay, for this machine, we have 4 advantages. Firstly is the CIDR. The CIDR of this machine is 310, so it can suit for many large room.
Yes.
The carrier area from 24 to 13 square meters. Thirdly, this machine is very smart.
Yes.
You can control it through your mobile phone.
Yes.
Because it has a auto mode, select mode, and night mode, so it's very smart. Thirdly is the purifier system.
Purification system.
Purification system.
Yes.
It has 6 purification systems.
It's really big. It's really huge. It has 6.
6. Yes. Firstly, for the DC model imported from Japan. So it's very professional and very special.
So it's really quiet because we use the DC motor from Japan, and also it's low power for consumption.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will.
That's quite good.
Okay, I will introduce one by one of this machine. Now this machine is open it.
Okay. I think Amanda first. Maybe we can just remove the filter first, because we didn't remove the plastic parts from the filter.
Okay.
Yeah, we can first remove the filter, and you can do some tests to our audience about the auto mode, right?
Okay.
Yes, we can do some tests. As you know, you say this machine is quietly smart. How this machine is smart? I think you can do some tests. You can do some tests to our audience, right?
Okay.
Now we have like dirty clothes. So Amanda will you can introduce to our audience first.
Okay.
So when we open the machine, it will have like 30 seconds to warm up, right?
Yes, I know.
So what is the data means?
This indicator of the data.
You can see, say to our audience.
This is the different color of the indicator. It's a blue purple, and green and red. The different color according to the environmental. Environmental can show the air quality.
Yes, we are out of our space.
Yes.
Okay, you mean we have the 4 different colors it means the air quality is different, right?
Yes.
Also the data is different. So Amanda, I see you have already get the dirty clothes.
Okay.
So you want to do some tests to our audience?
Okay. Firstly, we can see the color is blue. Please note the change of the indicator.
So means the air quality is good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, okay, I show dusty clothes near the sensor.
So Amanda now is to use dirty clothes, and she shake it to illuminate the quality.
See the color is changed.
It's changed.
Now it's green. The data is from 14 to 100. It means the air quality is good. Yes.
It's not good, right?
It is.
I see the fan speed already turned to the second level.
Yeah, it's little good.
I think not so bad.
Yes, not so bad. Yes.
Maybe we can do more to put the dust here.
Okay, the fan speed under the second level. In the green color. Okay.
When Amanda is to use the dirty clothes to near the dust sensor, you can see the different data. It's like change.
Yes.
We have a total like 4 levels about this air quality. The first is for the blue.
Okay, we can see the color is changed to purple.
Yeah, its color is changed to purple.
And the fan speed under the third level. We can see the air quality is very not good.
And not good. You can see also the fan speed is huge.
Yeah, because the fan speed automatically purifies the air quality. Okay.
Okay, the test is quite interesting.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Amanda. Yes. Now I think after maybe like 5 seconds,
Yes.
the fan speed is turned to normal.
Normal.
Right now.
Yeah. It's now the color is turned back of blue. It means the air quality is getting better now.
So the first is we are introduced to our audience that the product is quite smart.
Yes.
Yeah, quite smart. The first is when you are running this machine in auto mode, the air quality, I think the fan speed can running depends on the different air quality.
Yes.
So you do a one test to our clients, our audience.
Okay. For this machine has 4 fan speed.
Okay, so I think it's the second you can introduce to our our audience is about another model.
Okay. Another mode is a silent mode.
Silent mode.
Silent mode.
Yeah.
Okay. We can change it, and we can easily see the fan speed under the first level.
So you mean when you are in the silent mode,
yes,
the fan speed is really quiet. And in the first level, I cannot even hear the fan speed right now.
Yes.
It's really cool.
Yeah. Yes.
And I think the second model is the night mode.
Night mode.
We have the photo resistant button here. Yeah, we have the photo resistant button here.
Yes, this photo resistance can sense the strength of the light. I will test. When I hand cover it, all the light of this machine will down. When I remove it, yes, remove it.
Yeah, I can see the difference.
Yes, all the light of this machine will burn again.
Okay, I can see the difference.
Yes.
So totally for this machine, it has 3 intelligent models. Models. The first is auto mode. Intelligent mode. First is auto mode. Second is for the silent
mode and night mode.
The third is for night mode. And also it can control by your mobile phone.
Yes.
We can add the Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi module here.
Yes. So it's very convenient. Just use your mobile phone can control this machine.
Okay. So I think first you already introduced to our audience about the first advantage is this machine is really smart.
Yes.
And second, I think you can introduce the purification system to our audience.
Okay.
So the first is you can open the machine to check.
We can also one point. When I open the front panel, we can easily see the indicator is closed. Because in the button it has a power off function. It can keep your family and children in a safe surroundings.
So you means when we open the front panel, so the machine will automatically power off.
Yes.
So it's really safe for our families. Okay, you can introduce the purification system to our audience.
Firstly, you can see it's our pure filter.
Pure
filter.
Yes.
It can prevent large particles such as petrol, coal dust. What's more, it can washable.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the first. First, the pure filter can washable.
Yeah. Firstly, is the Hipaa filter. The level is from Hipaa 11 to Hipaa 14 are available. It can remove some formaldehyde and secondhand smoke and other dusks.
Okay, so for this Hipaa filter, I think this can remove the particles.
Yeah.
For formaldehyde, maybe it's for the carbon filter. So for the Hipaa filter, it is the level normally we recommend to our audience is like H11 and H13. So this 2 level is quite normally and it's quite like fashion in our market. Also, this Hipaa filter can remove like 0.3 microns PM2.5, like 0.3 microns for the particles, and also it can remove the pollen. And when you know some some audience have the allergens
Yes.
in their health problem.
Yeah,
Maybe they also have the pet in their home, have dogs and cats. So this also can remove the pet fur. Yeah,
yes.
to remove this allergens and particles.
Yes.
This is the second. Okay, for the third.
Third is the active carbon filter. It can absorb the
smile.
The smile.
And for formaldehyde, right?
Yeah. For my hand and
formaldehyde
and the second-hand smoker. And kill bacteria.
No, this one cannot kill the bacteria.
Yes, this
maybe, yeah, but this machine can kill the bacteria.
Yes, this photolist and combined
catalyst.
With photocatalyst and combined with the UV light can kill bacteria and virus. As we all know, in the virus environmental, we can use it, and it also has a function to kill bacteria and virus. So you can buy it.
Okay, so now first you have told us about the 5 purification system. How about the sixth one?
The sixth one is anion function.
Anion function. Yes.
It can produce large amount of negative ionizers and refresh and give you a refreshing environment.
So you mean for the negative ions, it can bring very fresh air and can bring you have a good sleep and can fresh your mind.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe you can teach our audience how to assemble this filter inside the machine. So the first is we need to
put it, but thirdly is the active carbon filter. Then is the Hipaa filter.
Hipaa filter, we have the target here. We need to make sure it will not assembling in the wrong way.
Yes, finally we will put
in the pre-filter.
Pure filter.
Okay, that's good. So for this machine, it has a 6 purification system.
Yes.
So Amanda, can you tell our audience which 2 filter needed to replace cannot washable?
Please. Yes.
Replace.
Okay. 6.
This 2 filter. This one pre-filter can washable.
Yes.
But if we need to change, what is the 2 filters you need to change?
Yes.
These 2 filters need to change. The Hipaa filter and the carbon filter. How many times we need to change?
6 months.
6 months, yes. And need to change it. So we need to change both, or we need to change like one pieces.
Okay, I got it.
We need to change both, or we want to change one pieces. Okay, so for means if our audience purchase this machine and they want to change the filter.
Yes.
Which filter our audience need to change it?
Okay.
These 2, right?
Yes, these 2 filters need to change.
And the time is like.
The time is 6 months.
And for this pre-filter, what is your recommended time? They need to wash it like every week or every month?
Every week.
Every week they need to wash it.
Yes.
Okay. So now here is our 6 purification system. And I just want to have some questions from our audience. Okay, Amanda, they have some questions right now.
Okay.
So the first is, can I choose the H11 filter about the Hipaa filter?
Yes. Oh, pardon. Could you?
So the question is, can I choose the H11 level for the Hipaa filter?
Of course, you can choose Hipaa 11 filter, but generally, we suggest you.
How about the efficiency for the H11?
Efficiency, yeah.
It's like 95%.
Yes.
For the efficiency,
yes,
right?
95%.
And how about the efficiency for the H13?
H13 is 99.997%.
Okay, so as Amanda just explained before, for this Hipaa filter, we have like H11 and H13. This level is available, right?
Yes.
And also we can choose it if H11 and H13 is all available. For H11, the efficiency is 95% to remove the PM2.5 and the particles. And for H13, the efficiency is up to 99.97% for this efficiency. So each different levels you can choose, it's no problem. But for the different filter level, it will influence the CDR about this whole data.
Yes.
And the next question is, does the UVC lamp will harmful to the person?
Okay, no. No, the UV light doesn't harmful person. It can kill bacteria and virus, so it can keep a safety environment for you and your family.
The UV lamp is in the deeper, yes, you can see the UV lamp here. So we are in the very, I think, the inside of the machine. And also we have like 3 layers about this filter, so it will cover the UV lamp. It will not through the UV lamp to outside the machine, so it will not harmful to the people's health. And the next question is, how about the sample price for this machine?
Sample price
for this machine
today?
I think, how about the sample price now for the machine? Maybe you can, okay, thanks for your question. You can just leave the message and our colleague will feedback to you.
Yes. Just leave your message.
Yeah, next question is, how about the sensor here?
Yes.
What is the sensor?
This sensor can simulate the environment.
What is the sensor about this machine? It's like PM2.5 particle, or it's like the TVOC sensor or something?
Yes.
This is PM2.5 or TVOC?
TVOC.
This is like PM2.5 sensor. Okay, so thanks for your question. For this machine, we equipped with the PM2.5 sensor here, and also this PM2.5 sensor can test the air quality of the whole surrounding areas. Okay, I think next, Amanda, you can teach our.
Okay.
Or you can continue to introduce the machine to our audience.
Okay. Okay, for this machine, we can easily see it has a white appearances. It's made of ABS plastic material, and also we can print your logo in it as you want. So just leave your message here. We will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, now I will introduce some other function of this machine. It has a time function. Just like when I open the time function, it has you can tell me 1, 4, and 8 as you want. When you at sleep, you can tell me the hours. Also, it has a reset button, reset function. The reset function has two advantages. Firstly, when I open it, we can easily see the indicator is closed. So firstly, the function is close the indicator. Secondly, for the reset function is reminds the filter change. So if the filter expired time, so this function will remind it to change your filter. Thirdly, I will introduce some other small function. It has a negative function and some UVC light function. So when you at night, you can open the silent mode.
Silent mode.
Silent mode. Mm-hmm. Yes. Silent mode. On the silent mode, it has 10 dBi of the noise. So
20 dBi about the. You mean the noise level is really low, right?
Low.
Okay.
Yes. And this machine has low consumption. It only
Low power consumption.
Which only costs 1 kilowatt per night. So it's very energy saving. Okay.
Okay, now Amanda is introduced about the function about
Yes.
the machine right now.
Yes.
So actually, this whole machine have like different models. We have auto mode, silent mode, and night mode. So it can meet your different time use requirement. For example, in the daily life.
Yes.
So in the daily life, when you leave your home and back to go to work. So Amanda, what is the mode you recommend our audience to open in the daily life?
Yes.
In the daily time.
Yeah. Okay. When you go to work, in the daily life, you can open the auto mode. Auto mode.
Auto mode also with the what's the function you recommend our audience to open it?
Yes, such as some UVC lamp and.
You mean we can open the UV lamp and onion function together with the auto mode, right?
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So mean you are in the daily life we can open the auto mode and also with the function with the UV lamp and with the onion function. Yes. This is in our daily life, and also in the night. In night, how about the function? How about the mode you recommend our audience to open it?
Okay.
When you are asleep.
Okay. When you sleep, you can open the night mode, and you can chime in the hours as you want. Also you can open the small function, UV light, negative light. Open it. Then this machine will automatically purify the air quality. Yes.
So also for this machine, we have the reset button.
Yes. When you feel the light is very strong, you can open the reset button. We can easily see the indicator is closed, and it has no noise, only 20 dBi. And
the noise level is very low.
Very low.
It's very low. It will not disturb your life.
Yeah. Okay.
And also, what is the another function for the reset button?
For the another function, is can remind the change of filter. When your filter after 6 months, this machine will this function will remind to change it.
You mean if the machine is like running like 6 months and the filter need to change, this powerful indicator, this indicator will be refresh to remind you to change the filter. But the reset button is when you already changed the filter, you can press 5 seconds, so that the machine can recalculate about the time for the filter use, right?
Yes.
Okay, so for next, you can introduce to our audience about how this machine is really quite suitable for which area? Maybe for school or
okay. For some school some bigger house, school and bigger house and some office and your company. You can use it because it has a bigger CADR. It's 1310, and the coverage area is from 24 to 37 square meters.
Okay, so really welcome to our
new audience.
Yes, hi. This audience, welcome to our today's live show. So this is Amy and Amanda from Smart World Air Purifier.
Yes.
Now we are introduced about our AP301 Air Purifier to you guys. And now in our today's live show, it's like a 30% discount. You just need to follow our account. You need to follow our account and you can get the catalog. Also, you can leave the message. If you need a free sample, you just can leave a message. Say, I need a free sample. So our colleague will feedback to you. So really welcome to our live show.
Welcome our new customers.
Yes. And next time, I think Amanda, you can introduce to our audience for another big machine.
Okay.
So it is with a different appearance, right?
Okay. Well, I close it.
So for the next machine we want to introduce to our clients is for the AP306.
Okay, we can easily see is 6006 of this machine, and the CIDR of this machine is 510, and for the coverage area is from
Coverage area
is from 14 to 13 square meters. So it's bigger CIDR than before the 3001. So it you can suit for some industrial and commercial area.
So Amanda, what is the
Yes.
data and what is the color means for this machine?
The color mean it can indicate the air quality of the environment.
So what is the color means?
No, its color is green.
What is the color means?
Color means
Yeah. What is the color?
different color means. Sorry.
Okay, so you can see we have 4 colors here.
Yes.
So what is the different colors means? It's for what is the air quality?
Okay.
It's good or not good or something?
Yeah. Yes, I know. Yeah. The color has 4 color: blue, green, and pepper red. The blue means the color is perfect, and the green color means the air quality is good, and the pepper means the air quality is normal, and the red color means the air quality is very terrible now.
Okay, so you means now
So
the
green.
air quality is green.
It's green. It's turned back to blue. It means the air quality is getting better and perfect now.
How about the different data here?
The data.
Yes.
The data.
The data here, what is the different? I see 3 different data here.
Yes. The data of the different color. The blue.
No, I see different data here. The first is PM2.5.
Yes.
And the second is, I think, this is temperature and humidity.
Oh. Okay.
So yeah, for this machine, we have a total 2 different sensor. The first is PM2.5 sensor. The second is temperature and humidity sensor. So in this whole machine, you can see 3 different data for this area. The first is for PM2.5. So the air quality is good or not.
Yes.
The second, you can see the temperature and humidity.
Okay.
I think maybe you can also do some tests to our audience. Now this air purifier, this quality is good now.
Yes.
Here is the sensor for the PM2.5 sensor. Now we are illuminated with some dirty clothes to check if the
near the sensor.
Yes, let's see if the machine will change it or not. You know, for this air purifier, the air inlet is from the air inlet is from the back, and the air outlet is from from this area. Okay.
It means the air quality is
Yes.
perfect.
Yeah, this means the air quality is really good right now.
Yes.
Okay. So you can continue to introduce about this machine. What are the advantages about this machine?
Okay, for this machine advantages. Firstly, the CIDR of this machine. The CIDR is 510 and 10. So it can suit for some bigger house, such as your commercial company and your industrial it is very suitable and useful. Secondly, this machine is very smart. It has auto function, such as the auto functions like
You can introduce to our audience.
Yes.
Maybe they want to see you. Okay.
Okay. See, it's auto mode and silent mode,
Silent
and night mode. So it's very smart. Just just use your mobile phone. You can control it easily.
Okay, so for this machine, it's like a family series, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
how about a different CDR about this family series?
No.
It has like 206, the CDR is like 250, 306, the CDR is like 350,
15.
and for the 601, the CDR is like 500, like something.
Yes.
So for this family series, it can suitable. You can use it in your maybe bedroom or in your living room or in your home.
Yes. Okay.
Also, I see this machine have the UVC function. So it can kill the virus or kill the bacteria, right?
Okay.
Next, maybe you can introduce the purification system to our audience.
Okay.
So when we open the back cover, the machine also will automatically power off, right?
This machine same as the 3001.
No, now we are just telling our audience about 206. So forgot the 301. We are strictly to introduce this machine to our audience. Okay.
Okay.
So when you can see when I just remove the cover from the back, the machine will automatically power off, right?
Power off because in the button it has a power off function.
Yes.
It can keep your family safe. Okay. Firstly, for the pure filter.
Yeah, I see our audience.
Yes.
They say nice products. Thanks for interesting and like our products. If you are really interested, you can follow our account. So next we will have like 18 live shows. We can give you a different products introduction. And also if you need a free sample, you can leave the message to us. And also our colleague will give you the feedback. So also you can get the category here.
Yes.
Thanks for interested in our products.
Yes. Okay. I will introduce the pure filter again. Okay, for this machine has a 6 layers purification system. Firstly is a pure filter. Pure filter can prevent large particles such as petrol, coal dust. It can increase the life of the filter.
Of the following filter,
Following filter, yes.
Okay. So means when we use the pre-filter, maybe we can to prevent some larger particles.
Yes.
And after the Hipaa filter, the life will be can maybe increase the using life for the following filters.
Yes. Secondly, is the Hipaa filter. The Hipaa filter, the level is from Hipaa 14 to Hipaa 11 to Hipaa 14 are available. It can remove the minor particles from the 0.7 up to 19.19 is available. It also can remove the particle bigger. It can remove the dust and pollen, smog, and some. When you have pet in home, you can remove the some smell and the pet.
I think it's not smile. It's like particle.
Yes.
And elegance. Pet fur and something.
Yes. So it's very useful.
Yes. It can remove the particles. So for this formaldehyde, it can absorb the bad smell and formaldehyde.
For this is active carbon filter. It will carbon filter. Yes, it can combine with the UVC.
It cannot combine it's the carbon filter. You can see the carbon filter inside. It's like we can absorb the bad smell and formaldehyde. Right?
Yes, it can also the formaldehyde and secondhand smog.
Yes.
It can prevent. It can keep your environmental very clean and very more clean.
And also you can see the difference here now is for the photo catalyst. It's like a combined filter. The first is like carbon filter, and second is for the photocatalyst filter. So for the photocatalyst filter, it can together with the UV lamp to do the sterilization. So it's like combined with this filter. Okay.
Okay.
So also you can see here we have the UVC lamp here. So this machine also has a 6 purification system and also has the anion inside.
This can prevent.
This filter is like a combined filter. You see, the first layer is for the carbon filter. It can absorb the basmine and formaldehyde. And the second layer is photocatalyst filter. So it can together with the UV lamp to kill the virus. That will be good. So for this machine, it also has a 6 purification system. Yeah. When you installing this machine, don't forget to put the photocatalyst filter inside before the UV lamp, and also you can put the Hipaa filter here. And today in our live show, we have like total 30% discount for this product. So if you are really interested in our products, you just can leave the message to us and we can provide the free sample for you. And also we can, in today our live show, we have a very wonderful discount. So please don't forget to follow our shop. Yeah, please don't forget to follow our shop and you can get the catalog here. And also we have the coupon here. Yes, also we have the coupon here and you can get the discount. Yes. Okay, so our audience have some question about this machine.
Okay.
Yes. About this products. How about the MOQ about this product?
Okay. MOQ.
Yeah. How about this MOQ for this product?
So how many pieces of the MOQ?
Okay, in our live show today, the MOQ, normally for this products, it's like 120 containers, like some around 300 pieces. So if you need some small quantity to test, it's also available. Okay, this is the first question. And another question is, can we remove the anion function?
Remove any function.
Yes,
okay.
It can the anion generator can be removed if you don't need it. It's no problem. And also we can use the child lock function to replace the anion function. That will be no problem. And another question is, how can I purchase this sample? It's really easy. You just can
leave your message here.
Yeah, you just can leave the message here and you can follow our shop. You can follow our shop to get the free sample. And if you have any questions, you just can leave the message. Our colleague will feedback to you. Okay. And another question is, how about the warranty about this product? Normally, our warranty is 1 year for the whole machine, but we also provide 3 years for the key component, for example, for the motor and for other products. Okay. Okay, that's all the questions from our audience. So Amanda, do you want to introduce another functions to our audience?
Okay.
Okay, no problem. You can just introduce it. Okay.
Okay, for this machine, it also has a reset button. The reset button has 2 functions. Firstly, when I open it, two functions. Firstly, it can close the indicator. So when you at night, you can open it. Then the indicator will close. We can easily see it. Secondly, it can remind the filter to change. Okay, next I will introduce the chime function. You can chime in the hours as you want.
The fast speed is really
high. It's high. You can adjust the fast speed. First level, you can easily hear the noise is low. Okay, the time function. You can adjust the time function as you need. 148 as you want. When you at night, just open it. You can time as you want.
So you means you can set the timer like 1, 4, and 8 hours.
8 hours.
And
yes.
how about if we want to change the timer setting? Like we want up to like 15.
It's okay.
Hours.
It's okay. Just leave your message. We will adjust for you because we have
the software.
We have research department to serve for you. Just leave your message here. We can as you just leave your message. We can do anything you want.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next, I will introduce the fast speed. We can easily see now is the first. It has a 4 fast speed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can see the noise and it's very big. But when you
can see the fan speed is really strong.
Yes, very strong.
So it is very power. It's like high efficiency.
Yes.
It can clean the area. It's like a very high efficiency.
Yes. High efficiency. Yes. But please don't worry. Even if under the highest level, the power is only 15 and 5 power. So it means it's very energy saving. It's only cost 1 kilowatt per night. Okay, next I will introduce the when you go to work, you can open the auto mode. You can open the auto mode.
Yes, because now when you open auto mode, the air quality is really bad. So the fan speed is really huge and strong.
Yes.
So maybe you just need to wait like 5 or 10 seconds, or at least I think 2 minutes. So the fan speed will turn to the normal stages. Yes. But it also depends on your using environmental.
Yes. When you at night, you can open the
silent
mode.
Yes.
Silent mode, and you can time in the hours as you want. You can also reset the fan speed under the first level. It cannot disturb your rest at night. Okay. Next, I will introduce the UV light. The UV light.
Maybe you can introduce to our audience. It's okay.
Okay, sorry. You can open the UV light at night when you sleep. Then the UV light will automatically kill bacteria of the environment. So when you at night, you can open it.
Okay, we have some questions from our audience. So they say that the machine is really beautiful. Thank you. And which certificate we have for this machine?
Certificate.
Yeah, certification.
Certification.
Yeah, for example, for North American. So what a certification we already have?
Okay. For the American, where are you from? You can.
Okay, maybe we can just told our audience what certificate we already have.
Yes.
So for European market.
For European market, we have the ETL.
For European market, we have the CE certificate and also GS and ROS and REACH. And for North American, we are now doing the ETL certificate right now. It maybe spend 1 month to finish it. So you can just leave your message and get the email catalog. Yeah. So even you from different country, we can meet your requirement about the certificate.
Yes.
And another question is, can I change the color for the front panel?
It's okay. On the front panel, you can change the color as you want. We can do for you.
But the MOQ is like 2,000 pieces. Yes. So the MOQ, the quantity have the limited, because if we need to change the color, so the injection industry we need to clean or something. So the MOQ is need to up to 2,000 pieces.
Yeah, please don't worry. Just leave your message here. We will try our best to support you.
Yes. So please follow our shop.
Yeah.
You can click here to follow our shop, and also you can get the catalog, and also you can leave your message. So our colleague will feedback to you.
Yes.
Okay, Amanda. If you have any introduction about this machine to our audience, so if you don't have, maybe we can introduce the small desktop one to our audience. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So for this machine, it's really, I think, amazing. You know, for the desktop one, we have different function for these machines. Yeah, you know, for this desktop one, the first is suitable for like one person use. But also, you know, we already added the UVC lamp here. Oh, I see our audience say they want the free sample. No problem. You just can leave the message. You can get a free sample, and our colleague will feedback to you. So welcome our new fans in our today's live show. Welcome. This is Amy and Amanda from Smart World. So when you are already in our live show, you don't forget to follow our shop, and you can leave the message. So I will feedback.
We can see it. Just leave your message ahead.
Yes, we can provide a free sample. Just leave your message, and also you can get the catalog here. You see, you can get the catalog. Yes, and also you can see we have different products here. So okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah, our audience is really like a gentleman and friendly. Thank you for interesting in our products. And now for this desktop air purifier, we have the biggest advantage is we have the UVC lamp here. So means for this machine, it can kill the
bacteria
virus like very fast. And I want to show you how it how it happened. You can see now here is like a pre-filter inside of the machine, and also you can see here we have the UVC LED, and also inside of the machine have the Hipaa filter. And I want to show you how it works. You know, when I open this machine, and the air inlet is from this hole, and after all these particles and inside for the Hipaa filter, you know, the Hipaa filter already have some particles and some bacteria and some mold here. So when I open the UVC lamp, this UVC lamp will to running at 5 minutes to kill the virus and bacteria in the front of the Hipaa filter. So this is how the machine running to kill the virus. It's quite interesting. And also you can see we have our own brand, Smart World. For this machine, we have already to ship the machine to Japan, to the Japanese market, and also we can ship to North American and European. It's all available. So for this air purifier, this is not air purifier, but also it can kill the virus and kill the bacteria. Yeah, that's super cool. And for today's live show, it is also can up to 50% off for this machine. So if you are interested in it, you just can leave the message to us, right?
Yes. Just leave your message here.
Maybe some clients want to ask, so why is the filter is different? We can see this filter. This two filter is different because you know for this is like a pre-filter, and this function is to prevent the UV lamp is not too outside from the machine, so it will not harmful for the person. And also for this filter, this is like functional filter. Also, we can add this is Hipaa and cover inside. Also, we can add the antibacterial coating for this filter. So each filter you want, we can just change it for you. But for this machine, for the UVC virus killing machine, so I recommend you just use this filter because we already have the Hipaa filter inside. And for the normal air purifier products, we have a different filter for you to choose. Also, we have a yellow Hipaa filter, which can special to the animal's elegance, so can remove the pet fur or something. And also we have the blue one for the green one. For the blue one, green one is different for the bite smile and for the some formaldehyde, and also it can remove like the virus. So different function for different filter. It is also available. You just can let us know which one you like it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Just as Amy said, if you feel interested of our product, please leave your message here and follow our account, and you can share to your friends or your family.
Yes, and also here is the link. You can share the link to your friends if you are really interested in our products. Also, we have you can follow this. You can follow our account. Yes, and also if you are interested in, here we have the products here.
Yeah.
Here we have the several different products. You just can show to your audience. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so Amanda, maybe you can continue to let our audience to follow our shop and give us the discount for it, because I needed to ask our colleague to change the products here.
Okay. Okay, for this product, this product has a big discount today. Only 1 pieces you can place an order. The MQ is 1 pieces. Just leave your message and place an order as soon as possible. Only today. For this machine, is very suitable. You can put it for your home, for your office, and it's very small and easy to take, easy to carry. You can put it in your home, and because the white appearances, so it's very clean and show your home very fashion and beautiful. Okay, for this machine, also has the pure filter. This machine has a pure filter and inner has the active carbon filter. It can prevent light particles and some pet fur and coarse dust. It can prevent a great environmental for your home and your family. And this machine also very smart. This machine can you can add the Wi-Fi function. It means that you can control it easily. Just use your mobile phone. Because we cooperation with Tuya and made the Wi-Fi function. So it's very smart and easy to control it. Just use your mobile phone. Okay. Thirdly, it is also has just the fan speed as like this, and is also has a different color.
Yes, we have another question from our audience.
Okay.
What is the true Hipaa filter? Yes. Okay, what is the true Hipaa filter? For example, if the means the true Hipaa filter, the efficiency needed to up 99.97 efficiency. So that means it is the true Hipaa filter. So actually, the true Hipaa filter means the Hipaa level needed to up to H13.
Yes.
So our we can provide the Hipaa level to up to H13. So the true Hipaa filter means we need to use the Hipaa level up to H13, and also we can, and also with the efficiency need to up to 99.97. This means the true Hipaa filter. Yes, thanks for your questions. And also you can see we have the coupon here in the right about our screen. So you can click the coupon. Yeah. After you use it, you can order this machine right now. It's quite interesting. Okay. Yeah. thank you for listen to our live show today.
Yes.
And also, I just want to introduce again about this sterilization desktop air purifier.
Okay.
You know, this is quite interesting because for this small machine, the first for this small machine, it's not very big, but it is not only can use to remove the PM2.5 particles, but also it can kill the virus. And how it can kill the virus, because you see the inside about this machine. Yes, we have the Hipaa filter inside, and when all the particles and all the bacteria inside of from the Hipaa filter, we have the UVC LED here, and also it can kill the virus and bacteria. Okay, so our audience is really they really like our products. So yeah, thank you for interesting and like our products. So if you are really interested, you can follow our shop. And for next following in this whole September, we have at least 18 live show to introduce our best selling products for you. And today is for air purifier products, and maybe for next day we have the vacuum cleaner and for other products. Just waiting for our live show.
Don't miss our live show. You can follow up our account.
Yes, you can follow our account, and our live show will give you the best discount and the best explanation to how this product works. Okay. So for this desktop air purifier, it not only can remove the PM2.5, but also it can kill the virus and bacteria. That's quite important. And you know, because of the coronavirus 19, and the people is needed to pay more attention to our indoor air environmental. So if you use this machine to your home or your desk, it will I think it will helpful to kill the virus and bacteria, can make you a healthy life.
Yes.
Also, for these products, we also have the sponge here. So means you can put the perfume inside. And for this, yes, we will give you. You can use it as a small gift to your customers. Maybe it can change like 1 month or 2 months.
Yeah, we can also add some oil.
Yeah, add some perfume.
Yeah,
perfume inside.
Perfume.
So if you
like.
add some perfume inside, it will make you like feel very fresh air.
Fresh air. Yeah.
Oh sorry, it can make you feel the smile which you like.
Great.
So you can put air here. So for this very small machine, now we use the adapt here. So it is like it is for. Also, you can use it like a different import about the voltage. So it's no problem. And also our plug is customized. You just can let us know about your requirement. So we are not an OEM factory with a lot of products for you, but we also can do the ODM service. So any requirement and any idea, you just can let us know. Okay. Okay, Amanda.
Okay.
I think now we are already introduced the 2 small machines. So maybe you can we can see the difference. We can see the difference about just 2 machines. You can see the total appearance is just like same, but we can customize. You can see it's the difference. The control panel is different. Also, this is the in top cover. The top cover is different, and also the control panel. Control panel is different. Yes, control panel and the top cover is different. We can change the color here. But if you need to change the color, maybe we need to like the MOQ is limited. It's like 1,000 pieces or 5,000 pieces. So and also for the control panel, we can change it. You see, it's like a servo, and this is like white. So each design I think is perfect. The white with the black one and with the silver one, and this white one with white and with white. So each color and each specification we can just want to show you. Okay, so here is our products for the desktop one, and the next step I just want to have some questions that our audience want to ask. Yes, we can read some questions. Okay, the first is how about the first question is okay, they want to know about our company.
Okay.
So maybe you can first introduce our company to our audience.
Okay, our company is named Swazworld. We are the biggest OEM and ODM air purifier service of Eastern China. For our air purifier, we have for some desktop series, home series, and some commercial series.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the first question is how about your product category? So how many product series you have right now?
Product series.
Yeah, you just told our audience maybe start from car.
Yeah. Yes. For car series.
So for our product categories, we start from car air purifier to home air purifier and household commercial. Also, we have the ventilation system. Yes. So our product category is really full. And it can meet your different requirements. Yes. So if you are interested, you just can let us know what area you want to use and which place you want to put.
Yes.
Okay. And the second question is, where's your company location? Can I visit your company? Okay. Really welcome to visit our company and factory. So our company is located in Zhangjiagang. Suzhou, belong to Suzhou. It's really near to Shanghai. It's only like 1 hour take by high-speed train, and also it is also 1 hour. We are very near to the Wuxi airport. Yes. So the transportation is really convenient. And also, you know, in Zhangjiagang we have some different fruit. Maybe the peach. Right now it's really famous.
It's very delicious.
Yeah, in Zhangjiagang. So really welcome to our factory. We can show you about our factory tour. Also in our remaining live show, we can take you to our factory tour. And also we can show you about our showroom to see how many product category we have. And also we can take you to see the Yangtze River.
Yes.
Yeah, it's quite near to our city.
So welcome to visit our company and our factory.
Okay. Yeah, we have another question. Is can I change the color of the outlook? Okay. For example, if you need to change this outlook for the air purifier, it's no problem. Normally for the air purifier we have the white one and the black one, and for the maybe gray one. But the MOQ is have the limited. It need to up to 2,000 pieces for the MOQ for the outlook. So you can change it, but the color the quantity is limited. But my recommendation is now we have the white color for the whole units, and also maybe you can change the small control panel. So if you can do it, maybe the quantity is less, maybe 1,000 pieces can meet your requirement. Okay, thanks for interested in our products, and thanks for interested in our live show. If you have any questions, you just can leave the message, and we will have our colleague to feedback to you. I really thanks it. And also next question is why your company have already what about your injection industry?
Injection industry.
Yes.
we have our injection industry, so we can. So if you have any need of the color, of the size, of the style, just leave your message here. We will let our registration factory to make for you.
Okay, we have over 40 experience in the injection industries, and we have 26 injection machines, start from 160 to 1,600 tons. So that means we can first control the material of this plastic parts, can control it very well. The second is we can change the color, customized for this air purifier, and also we can to customize different size, maybe for the ODM service. So we are not only a factory can provide OEM service for the whole air purifier, but also we can provide the ODM service if you want. And the next question is the MOQ, or if you can have a small quantity to test first.
Yes, it's okay. For this machine, our MOQ today is 1 pieces, so it's very big discount. So please order as soon as possible.
Yes, for the MOQ today is like 1 pieces. 1 pieces for the right now for the currently mode. This is first, and the second is for the current. Normally the MOQ is like 300 to 500 pieces, and after that, 我们快结束了，快结束。
Okay. Okay.
Hi, welcome back. This is Amy and Amanda from Swansworld Air Purifier. Now we are having our live show to introduce our very hot selling products with some very amazing discounts. And also in our today's live show, we have the free sample here. So please don't forget to follow our shop, and we will have a next wonderful live show for you. And also you can leave your message, and you can get the catalog here. Okay, so it's the time for us to make some answers to our audience. Okay, so for our next answer is how many assembly lines you have, and how about the capacity for 1 year?
For 1 year.
Yes, we have 7 assembly lines in our assembling workshop. Actually, we have 2 workshops. The first is for the injection workshop. The second is for the assembling workshop. We have 7 production lines for the workshops, and our yearly capacity is like 1 million pieces per year. So if you have any OEM service requirements, you just can let us know. And the next question is, can you introduce about your R&D team? Can you introduce about our R&D team? Yes, we have 2 independent R&D team right now. One is for the air purifier, and another is for the ventilation system. And our leading engineering is also have already 15 experience, like 1 year, 15 experience in this area. So it's quite experienced. And also we have 26 experience in engineering, which came to first for the ID, for design these products. The second is for the structural design, and also for the electronic, and also for the certification engineering. So each different engineering can to control different parts of the whole project.
It's very professional.
Yes, we have a very strong research and development team. And the second for the system is we have several different test machine. For example, we have the CADR test bin.
Oh, okay. For the aging test.
Yes, the aging test is for like we do in the production team, a production process. And for the R&D process, we have the CADR test. For example, we have a 30 millimeter test bin and a 3 millimeter test bin. So it can to test if the machine can up to the suitable CADR, and also it can test that. And also it can test that the machine is in the stable, or our filter is in the stable. Yes, our filter is in the stable. Our filter can meet the CADR requirement. Okay, I think next question is how about the product leading time? So means if you place order, so how many days you can ship the goods?
Okay. For the simple, if you test a simple just 1 or 2, we can deliver to you within 7 days after receive your payment. Okay. If you place an order for 20 GP or 14 FT, we can deliver to you about 13 to 14 days after receive your dispatch.
Means if you need a sample, we can ship the sample goods like 7 days.
7 days.
Like within 3 to 7 days. And if we want to ship the mass production, maybe it needs like 35 to 55 days. And another question is, so how about to combine the two models together in one container to ship out?
Sorry?
Means if you can purchase different models, no problem in one container, but we have a different MOQ requirement. So for this one, this is already in our stock. So for this machine, it do not have the MOQ limited. But for other products, we can make you to combine these products in one container. And if you have any questions, you can introduce to our audience.
Yes. If you like our live show, you can share to your friends or your family. Every day we will have a different broadcast to introduce our product to you. So please miss our account and our living show
today. Okay, thank you, Amanda. For all our audience, you can first follow our shop, because we have the following different live show for different products and for factory tour you are interested in. And also you can leave the message here, and also you can click the catalog to get the products. It's no problem. And for next question is, how about the warranty time about the products?
For the machine, 1 year for the machine.
For the unit.
For the unit, yes. 3 years for the motor.
For the key components. For the such as motor and the sensor or something. Okay. So how about the percentage for the spare parts? Normally we have the 1% for your quantity. Means if you order 2,000 pieces, we will provide 1% spare parts for you to together with bulk goods to ship out. And another question is, how can I get a free sample?
Just leave your message. Our colleagues will receive to you as soon as possible. Just leave your message.
You know, in today's our live show, we provide you a lot of big discount, and also we provide you with a free sample today. So if you need a free sample, you just can leave the message, and my colleague here will give you the feedback. And also another question is, how can I get the coupon? Oh, it's quite easy. So first you can see the live show here is we have the coupon. You just can click it so you can get it, and after you place the order, so it will directly to have the discount. Okay, so thanks thanks a lot to all our audience today to have the wonderful live show. Here is Amy and Amanda from Swaz World Air Purifier, and don't forget to follow our account because we have also remain like 18 live shows. Yes, 18 live shows, and also you can see our brand name is Swaz World, and fresh air all the season is what we want to told about our audience. And you know, in our live show today, we have like total for the units is like 10% discount, and we also have the free sample. So you just can leave the message. It means you want to have the free sample, and also for this product. It's it's in the stock, and it is 50% discount. So you just can place order directly, and then Moku is one pieces. Only one pieces. You can have these products with this Hipaa filter and PM 2.5, intelligent air purifier, desktop air purifier. You can purchase by go home. And also, if you need to change the color or change the plug, you just can let us know. We have another model just recommend to you. Okay, let's see if have any questions. If have any remaining questions.
Our customer is very friendly.
Yes, you are really friendly. Thanks for interested in our live show today. And for the last time, I only have 3 minutes left. So please leave your message, and if you need a free sample, you just can let us know, because you know only in our today's live show we can have the free sample and the special discount. So it's only like 3 minutes left. So don't forget to leave the message and what you
right now.
Yeah, right now you leave the message, and also you can follow our shop.
Yeah, you can directly place an order right now. Only 3 minutes we will finish the live show.
Yes, only 3 minutes we will finish our live show today.
Yeah.
So don't forget to, if you need a free sample or if you really need interest in our products, you just can leave the message. Okay. So first, don't forget to visit. Don't forget to follow our shop first. Then you can get the catalog. And also you can here to get the coupon. So if you get the coupon, you can place order directly. And also you can leave the message. If you have any questions, I just can answer right now, and our colleague will feedback to you. Okay, it's only 2 minutes left. Only 2 minutes left. You can feedback. Or if you are really interested, you can just follow our account. And we also have remaining 18 live shows for different topics, like factory tour, and for the new products, the newest vacuum cleaner and the newest air purifier and other products. So if you are really interested, you can follow our shop, and we can give you the more informations. Okay, so here is we have only 2 minutes left. If you need a free sample, I think you can let us know, right?
Yes. What are you waiting for? Just now, place an order directly.
Yes, what are you waiting for? You just right now to place the order, because you know for this product we have a 50% for the stock now. You just can get the coupon in the right of these products. And also you can click to place order. It's only 1 minute left. Okay, really thanks today for all our audience to welcome to our live show. This is Amy and Amanda from Swaz World Air Purifier. We are really thanks that you are interested and love our products, our company. So if you want to get more information, or if you want to get more introduction about our company and the products, you can first don't forget to follow our account. And you can get the catalog here, and also you can get the coupon here. So in today's our live show, we have the stock products here. You can place the order immediately right now, and also we can give you the free sample.